Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to read Unit 9, Shadow, book page 61-62. Open your book.
Page 61. Unit 9, Shadows.
When something blocks light from a light source, there is always a shadow. For example, in the picture, the sun is shining on some camels. The camels block the light. How to make a shadow clock? This activity can be done on any sunny day. What you need is a long pencil, a rubber, some pebbles, a piece of chalk or a stick. What to do? 1. At the start of a sunny day, write your name on your rubber. 2. Push the point of your pencil into the middle of your rubber so that the pencil stands up straight. 3. Place your pencil in the sun. Don't let careless people walk on your shadow clock. You can start this activity at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. 4. Every hour of the day, go outside and trace the shadow of the pencil with a stick or a piece of chalk. Put a pebble at the end of each line. 5. Be careful to write the hour on the ground next to each shadow.
Now you have to make your own shadow clock, and at the end of the day, look at the shadow clock. When was the shortest shadow and when was the longest shadow? इसको बेटा आपने नोट करना है. Hope you understood this lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Bye.